Welcome to this page. Let's see law or property of logarithm. This law and the properties are very important to simplify, solve logarithmic function expression. So look, law number one or property of logarithm number one, log of a times b is equal to, this is equals to log of a plus log of b. The product is changed to what? Sum. The sum of logarithm. Look at this one, log of a over b. The quotient is changed to difference or subtraction. This is equals to log of a minus log of b. If the base is not given, we can say it can be base is base 10. Log of a raised to k to the base b. This one is power. The power is changed to what? Multiplication. K log of a to the base b. Look, log of 1 over a. Look, log of 1 over a. If log of 1 over a is 0, 0 for a greater than 0 and a is different from 1. Log of a to the base a is equals to 1. This is always true. This is the property of logarithm. Look at the law number 6, log of x raised to m. Look, number 6, log of x raised to m times x raised to n is equals to m log of x to, let's say the base a, x to the base a, products, the product is changed to what? The sum. N log of x to the base a. Look, log of 1 over x to the base a is equals to minus log of x to the base a. This is true for x greater than 0 and a greater than 0. A is different from 1. Look at rule number 8. Log of x raised to m over y raised to n is equals to. So this one is quotient. The quotient is changed to what? Difference. This one is equals to m log of x to the base a minus n log of, so minus n log of y to the base a. For x, this is true for x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. A is different from 1. Look at this one. Log of a raised to x to the base a is equals to x log of a to the base a, which is equal to x. For x, an element of real number. This is true for x element of any real number. Look, number 10, a raised to log of x to the base a is equal to x. In this case, for x greater than 0. This is true for x greater than 0. Log of a to the base b is changing one base to another base. So this is true for log of a to the base c over log of b to the base c. For c greater than 0 and c different from 1. Changing one base to another base. So look at number 12. Log of b to the base a is equals to 1 over log of a to the base b. This is true for a greater than 0, b greater than 0, b different from 1. For b different from 1. Look at rule 30. Log of x to the base a is equal to y if and only if a raised to y. A raised to y is equal to x. For x greater than 0, for a greater than 0, and a is different from 1. Look for rule number 40. Log of x raised to n to the base a raised to m is equals to m over n. M over n log of x to the base a. These are the property of logarithm. It's very important to solve or to simplify logarithmic equation, expression, and so on. If you like it, share to your friends. Thank you.